Hi guys, this is the hotel which I'm staying. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Seabird View. I'm at Trandam Airport right now. In this video, I'm taking you with me to join my ship. Just like that, I have reached Delhi. Now I'm taking another 15.5-hour flight to Washington, which is gonna be tiring. Flying for the first time can be little nervous, but the excitement to join my ship kept me going. We haven't reached our destination yet. I'm taking another 2-hour flight to New Orleans because my ship is docked in Nola Port. Finally, we are in New Orleans airport and a shuttle will be arriving here soon to take us to the hotel. Hi guys, this is the hotel which I'm staying. So let me give you a quick tour of the hotel room. Here we go. So guys, now I'm ready. We're all set to go to the ship. So I have to go catch my shuttle, which is waiting for us. There she is, my beautiful lady. Basically, my first day went by completing all the documentation process and vessel familiarization. This is my cabin where I'll be staying for the rest of my contract, and obviously will be my home far away from home. It's time to depart New Orleans and cruise towards Mexico. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to see more videos about life working on a cruise ship.